So this is my shell project that I've been working on. Um, it has all the regular Linux commands that you would expect, and it also has some built in. So, for example, I can do a variable assignment, local a equals b, and then I can also see what variables I have with vars and also their values. I can also assign with, I can echo A and I can get B. I can also do local C equals A, and then if I echo C, I get also B. So I also implemented ls and cd, uh, right, and then cd solution. Um, and I also have history, which is your history of non-built-in commands. You can also set how much history you want to show. So history set 3 does that, history. And then you can also do environment variables with export. So I'm not going to do that right now. Um, uh, and you can also do redirection. So if I do ls and if I redirect it to text dot I don't know, test.txt, then if I ls or if I cat test.txt, then I can see that it went there all right. I can also do the same with like the error output, although I don't think there will be any error. But you can also do you can also append um, test.txt. So if I do this, then if I ls or not ls cat test.txt, then well, I don't think that appended. I think that replaced. So you can also it only exits the program if you type exit and or you type control D to end it, or I guess you could also type control C. And I ran into plenty of problems while making this, and it's still not complete. There's still issues and bugs to be found, especially when it comes to redirection. Um, but overall, I'm pretty proud of this project. I really learned a lot, not just about the process of making software, but also making things like work the way you want. Because there were so many things where it's like I want it to work this way, and it just felt impossible, but you still just had to do it. Um, and also asking others for help or ideas, because I noticed a lot of my friends would implement things very differently. Um, this was the first project where I noticed all my friends like they had a different implementation of each function. Um, there were so many different ways you could approach this project, and it was really interesting to see all those different ways. So yeah, this was my shell project. It's a CS classic, and I'm hopeful on working on more projects like this, which require lots of in-depth study and also in-depth just debugging and in-depth just testing, trial and error. Because I really think these types of projects are what make you grow the most as a programmer. So, uh, yeah.